Dr. Rizwan Hussein has been using Attend Anywhere in his surgery in the South Wales Valleys. He's going to talk us through a live case with a receptionist who's kindly volunteered to be a patient and show how the system works. She's up on the screen as Minnie Mouse in order not to breach any confidentiality. Over to you, Rizwan.
Thank you, Rebecca. So we're on Minnie Mouse's consultation. My normal practice is to do a normal telephone consultation initially. So I will just dial the number to Minnie Mouse. Hello, it's Dr. Rizwan speaking from Abyssinia Medical Center. I'm just phoning you as Minnie Mouse. I'd like to carry on our consultation in a video consultation format. It's very similar to using Skype or FaceTime on your phone. I'd just like to explain how that works. I'm going to send through a text message link to you now as we speak. This is for a program called Attend Anywhere. Please can you click on that text message link, and that will then take you through to a program where you will have to enter your name and your date of birth, and then you will enter the virtual waiting room where we can carry on our consultation in the video format. So I've just sent through the text message now. I'd be grateful if you could confirm that you've received that. Excellent. I'll just hang up the landline now. I'll just let you go through that, and then we can talk to each other on the Attend Anywhere platform. If there's any issues, then I'll just phone you back. Thank you.
So Rizwan, what's happening now at the patient end?
So at the patient end, they have received an SMS text link where they click onto the secure link where they have to confirm their first name, their surname, and also their date of birth. They then enter a virtual waiting room, and I will have a notification on my screen to say that the patient is there. I will then switch screens to the Attend Anywhere program, and I will click Join. And my camera then starts up front facing, and also the patient's camera then loads up as well. I always do another introduction and also do a sound and camera check, and it's very seamless. We start the consultation and carry on the consultation from there, and then complete the consultation as necessary.
Brilliant. And how long does it usually take for the patient to join you?
It's normally less than a minute. If there's a problem, then you right, there we go. It's just flashed up now. I'm not sure if you can see that on my screen. On the bottom right, it says people in waiting areas. So
I don't think I can see that at the moment. I'm still looking at the vision screen.
You're still looking at the vision screen. It did flash up a notification. I think it flashed up from the original screen. So I know now that the patient is there. Shall I switch screens now so that you can see?
Yeah, that would be great.
So you can see now that Minnie Mouse, date of birth 24th of July 1974, is waiting. So I just click on that and then go to join call. Now, unfortunately, because I'm talking on the video link to yourself, Rebecca, it's saying that we are unable to access your local camera and or microphone.
Oh, what a shame.
But I can reassure you that this is the point, 2 to 3 seconds in after clicking on that link, that the patient's face comes up. I'm able to continue the consultation with them, and the picture and sound quality is normally of an excellent quality. I've not had any problems so far.
Oh, well, thank you so much for showing it. It's really great to see how it works for you, sort of live, as it were. And I guess the fact that it is not allowing you to broadcast it on Teams at the same time is actually a really reassuring level of IG that's built into the system, so people can't be simultaneously recording it on the device they're speaking to you on, which is probably quite a good thing.
Certainly.
Lovely. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.